Hi you guys, welcome back to another episode of my holiday series. I am so happy you're here. I want to thank you all for the love and support of my Christmas tree decorating video. And today we're going to be adding some Christmas cheer to the entryway and to my living room. So let's jump right into today's episode, you guys. You guys, we're going to start right here on the entryway, and I'm excited to decorate this newly renovated entryway for the holidays. I'm going to remove here this little stole that I had in this corner, and we're gonna wipe those mirrors to just make sure everything is nice and clean before we start decorating. Using these wreath holders, these are heavy duty and they come in clear. They come in a pack of 2 on Amazon. These are really good. I use them outside, and I'm gonna use it now inside to secure my wreath into this area. Entryway decor, I have a couple ideas, but I think I'm gonna try this one first, which is the one with the wreath and just a bunch of candles in the area. I wanted to bring that romantic look, but at the same time to bring all the warmth and coziness that the candles give, and just bring the holiday glow as soon as you enter the home. Yet simple, but it brings the festive to this area. Glass candle holders and the remote candles are from Amazon, and let me tell you, those LED candles look super realistic. Nobody could tell they're fake, you guys. And I brought this vase, remember I had it in my dining room for the fall, into this space. I wanted to bring more greenery into the entryway, and I thought this space was perfect to go in here with some greenery. And I'm gonna put some light picks as well. To finish the entryway, I am bringing this beautiful oversized deers that I got from Z Gallerie. You guys, they're absolutely beautiful. They come in black as well. The white one has a really pretty shimmer to it. It's hard to capture in the camera. Then I put 2 little bows in the ivory color to keep it simple. I could also switch them to red, but we're gonna put them, Then I put the stool in this side of the wall, and I'm gonna put a little bow, because we're gonna put bows everywhere this year, into my little light fixture here that I have. And they're also from Amazon, and they're rechargeable, you guys. You don't need any wire connection to have this. We're gonna move into the living room, and we're gonna start with the shelves in this area by the TV. And honestly, I'm gonna keep it very simple here, working with things that I already had and a few things that were new. So I'm gonna put this set of little cone trees that I had from previous years in this area up here. I ended up changing them by the time you watch this video, but you'll see the updated house tour or the little changes that I made throughout the house pretty soon. So here I'm adding more greenery into this base, some reindeers. We're gonna add a lot of reindeers this year. And this pretty train that I got at Ross for $32. I thought it was so pretty, you guys. You guys remember in the previous video we kind of added some stuff to the mantle, and here I'm just gonna add this battery operated twinkling lights to give it a more twinkling effect in this area. And I'm also gonna be adding some little ceramic houses, tiny little village I guess, and some little trees as well. These are battery operated, but I haven't found those batteries, so I need to probably order them in Amazon. So they're gonna be really nice when they light up. So here I am putting these pictures of us in Christmas, just putting some frames that I got at Ross. It was super pretty. I'm gonna show you a close-up now. And this little tree in this side. So I got the kids new blankets for the holiday season, so I switched out the Halloween ones that we had in here. So I got them each one, and look how this one is with all the cute little bears that are so trending this year. Super pretty, you guys. And I'm gonna put some little pillows there, and we're gonna decorate our coffee table now. Coffee table this year, I am adding some beautiful new pieces from Z Gallerie, like this beautiful vase and the gorgeous bowl. They're made of porcelain, and you guys, it's absolutely beautiful. I also picked up this 4 in a row game because holidays is all about spending time with family, enjoying, and that's what I'm making this coffee table a place that we're gonna be enjoying this holiday season. I also picked up this beautiful candle at Home Goods, and it smells so good. I'm gonna add some branches here and some light picks as well to my vase, which I'm obsessed with. The bowl, I added holiday base fillers, which I got at Home Goods as well, and they were really pretty. And you guys, let's talk about this throw blanket from Zgallerie. It is perfect for the theme that I was going for, but it's super soft. I also got all my pillows this year from Zgallerie, and I'm gonna be linking them all for you. Nothing says glam like Zgallerie. Honestly, they have a great collection of different pillows, testers, and everything to bring that holiday glam into your home. So check them out, definitely. I also got this beautiful nutcracker from Zgallerie. I mean, he is cute, you guys. So I got the cutest Santa wall art at Ross, and of course he needed to come home with me. So into the kitchen area and dining room, I'm going to be adding a little pop of red, and he was perfect to go there. For my twinkling tree, I'm going to give it some height by adding a box to the tall tree, and then I'm going to add this fir throw that I had from last year. It's like a fir rock, I want to say. So I'm adding this here, and my mom came up with the idea that I should be adding like a Christmas village into this area. Hey, that sounds like a good idea. Maybe I'll do it, but you have to come back and see what I do next. And you guys, here's how the house is looking now that we added some Christmas touches to the entryway and into the living room. I love all the pieces that I picked up from Zgallerie because it really works with the monochromatic look that I wanted to go for this holiday season, bringing all those metallics and the testers, the furs, everything. Just, it's simple and perfect, you guys. Don't forget to check the description box because I'm going to be linking a lot of the items that I used to decorate this year. So check the description box, mis amores, no se olviden de mirar la cajita de información, ahí les voy a estar dejando todos los links de este video. That was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching and for your love and support this holiday season. And if you're not part of my family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today. I will see you all on the next video. God bless.